Today I am going to make a terrarium, so I have collected all the materials that are required on a table. In this video I will discuss with you every details and entire process of making it. Before starting it, let me explain you what is a terrarium. Well, a terrarium is a glass container with a lid containing soil, plants and decorative miniature. You can say it an aquarium of plants, nature in a bottle, or a greenhouse. In this terrarium, I have planted Banniers cactus. We can also plant succulent. This one is jet plant. We can choose any shape and size of glass container for terrarium. It can be round, oval, rectangle, tall and short. I have selected a medium-sized glass container that has an airtight lid. Next, we need some beautiful plants. We can collect anything that we like, but it should be very small because under the terrarium the growing area is very limited. I have some plants over here. I have collected these plants from my garden. It's very important to watch out dirt from roots. Immerse the roots under water till the planting process will start. In this mug I am taking a mixture of garden soil, perlite and grits and added a little bit of anti-fungus powder. Not only that, I am going to add well-dried cow dung manure. I am taking a scoop of coco peat. It retains water extremely well and being porous it provides better aeration for roots. I am making a rich organic soil mix as well as well-draining soil mix because the glass container don't have any drainage hole. So this type of soil mix is very important. Now I am mixing all ingredients very nicely. I am adding sand to create the first layer. Sand will soak the extra water. I think I need to add more. Now I am adding soil mix in it. I have to fill 1/3 portion of the container. Always take a smooth plain glass container that makes it easy to view content at a glance. I am spreading the soil mix evenly with a brush. Now I am going to plant the syngonium. I am spreading the roots. Now I need to cover up the all roots very nicely, adding more soil mix. It requires lot of patience to make a perfect terrarium, but the maintenance part is very easy as it requires very little water. This one is variegated money plant. I am trying to set the soil mix around the roots. I planted another plant over here. I am placing a driftwood in the front. I planted two tiny money plants over here. I think I need to add more soil. Now I am going to use some pebbles. For watering, I am using a spray bottle. Spray water on leaves to clean the dirt. Clean up the inner side of the container using a cotton cloth, just like that. Clean up the outside also. Last but not the least, I am adding miniature of beautiful duck. It's done. If you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye for now.